Here is the Cookout Combinatoric problem. For a given food type, what is the most common combination of toppings across two flavor strengths, limited to people who have two and only two flavor strength preferences? Let's look at the data. You've got a list of names. You've got different food types. You've got different flavor strengths. And then you've got a whole bunch of toppings. In this case, there's only two food types, hamburgers and ice cream. And in this case, there's only three flavor strengths, bland, medium, and strong. And ketchup is always a bland flavor that always goes on hamburgers. I'm sorry if I offended any spicy ketchup folks, but for this purpose, ketchup is bland and it only goes on hamburgers. And for ice cream, hot chocolate is a medium flavor strength and it only goes on ice cream. So we have to, first of all, find people who have two and only two flavor strength preferences. So if we look at Joe and his hamburger flavor strength preferences, bland, medium, and strong. So Joe's disqualified. We're going to throw him out because he has three flavor strength preferences. We want people who only have two. Joe's ice cream flavor strength preferences, again, bland, medium, and strong, we throw him out. Tom's hamburger strength preferences, bland and strong, we're going to keep him. Similarly for ice cream, bland and medium, that's two, we'll keep him. If we go down the line, Sophia has only strong flavor strength preferences for her ice cream. For her hamburger. So we're going to throw out Sophia's hamburger data, but we're going to keep Sophia's ice cream flavor strength preferences here because she likes strong and bland flavors. So let's go back to Tom for a second in his hamburger strength. We want the most common combination of toppings across two flavor strengths for Tom, right? So that means we want ketchup and chili flakes because ketchup is bland and chili flakes is strong. And we want ketchup and hot sauce, right? Because bland and strong. And we also want mayo and chili flakes and mayo and hot sauce for Tom. So ultimately we're going to produce something like ketchup and chili flakes, ketchup and hot sauce, and mayo and chili flakes and mayo and hot sauce, right, for Tom. And we're going to do that for everyone who qualifies. Then we want to say, well, which of these combinations, ketchup and chili flakes is a combination, ketchup and hot sauce is a combination, which of these combinations is the most common among all of these people at our cookout? Maybe mayo and hot sauce, 4 out of the 5 people prefer that combination. Who knows? But we want to count up these combinations. That's the challenge. Can you make Excel or Google Sheets do this? I haven't been able to find anything, and I'd be really interested to see how or if anyone can solve this. Thank you.